Philippine coronavirus strain could have originated in India. Dr. Edsel Salvania of the Philippine Interagency Task Force on Emerging Infectious Diseases Technical Advisory Group said they found that the most genetically related virus in the Philippines seems to have come from India. Salvania said the strain of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19 in the Philippines, is most similar to the genome sequence in India. He explained that the Philippines has been able to sequence 12 genomes out of the more than 10,000 that exist globally. After analyzing the genomes, which are completely sets of genetic material in cells and organisms, they concluded that the coronavirus strain from India could have caused the outbreak in the Philippines. The host could have been of any nationality, gotten infected in India, then traveled to the Philippines and introduced the strain to the country. Salvania, the director of the Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology at the University of the Philippines National Institutes of Health, also suggested a Filipino might have caught the strain after taking a tour of India. However, he emphasized that the strain in India came from Australia after coming from China. Salvania said the virus strain seems to have traveled around the world before reaching the Philippines. According to ABS-CBN, genetic sequencing could even aid in the development of a vaccine. The Airlangga University's Institute of Tropical Diseases in Surabaya, Indonesia, was also recently able to complete genome sequencing analysis. After completing 6 whole genome sequencing analysis on genetic data of SARS-CoV-2, the scientists found that 2 were similar to the European strain, while 4 were similar to the Chinese strain. The Jakarta Post reports that 3 whole genome sequences the scientists previously submitted to the Global Initiative on Sharing All Influenza Data were also similar to the Chinese strain. They concluded that the virus transmission source in East Java did not just come from China, but also Europe. The Institute's director, Maria Ingalucida, said SARS-CoV-2 is a ribonucleic acid or RNA that easily mutates, which means it could still have genetic peculiarities even if they are traced back to specific strains from other countries. According to her, SARS-CoV-2 has so far been grouped into 3 clades: Type A in bats, Type B of the Chinese strain, and Type C of the European strain.